Alright, so it was my first full day in Singapore. It's about noon right now. Woke up at 10, was super leisurely getting ready. Kind of planned out some things, booked some things I want to do while I'm here. So yeah, today is Sunday and I want to just spend some time today walking around and seeing the city on foot. We want to go to Little India and check that out. I've heard good things, and I would like to ideally end up near the waterfront in the Sky Garden around the time it starts to get dark, so I can see that. That would be super cool. And just gonna get some food along the way. But the first thing I wanted to do is get some coffee, get some lunch, get a massage and a pedicure, and just refresh myself now that I'm in a new place. So let's head on out. This is my view. So let's head on out and go see. So I stepped out of the room and immediately found everything I was looking for. Got this oat latte from the convenience store. It's really good. It's sweet. It's dairy free, so that's good for me. I'm gonna go to this spa place and I'm gonna get a hot stone massage. And then after that, I'm gonna get my pedicure and I'll be on my way. Be human again. So it seems like the area I'm in is a really Vietnamese and Muslim part of town. So that was a Vietnamese massage and yeah, it was kind of painful, but it worked. I feel good. So, you know, underestimated the amount of cash I would need to be in this area. I do a lot of cash heavy things like eating street food, so went to the ATM and now I am going back to the nail place because they accept cash only. From what I've seen so far, Singapore is what you make it when it comes to finances. Like, if you want to only spend a small amount of money, you totally only have to spend a small amount of money. You can get food, you know, starting at $2, maybe even cheaper. If you want to spend a lot of money, there's a lot of luxury things to do. So yeah, just for instance, the massage I got was $50 US, and there was a place across the street that charges over 200. So like I said, it is what you make it. So right now headed back to get a pedicure because my feet look crazy and I'm wearing flip-flops. And yeah, then I'll probably go try to find some lunch. A lot of stuff in this area is closed because of Ramadan and because the sun is out. No one is eating or fasting if they celebrate Ramadan. So yeah, we'll head to Little India and probably try to eat in that area. Alright, so I got my nails done. They're a little more brown than I wanted. I wanted like a reddish color that was sparkly, and with the sparkles it kind of looks brown, but it's okay. They did a really good job. It was really relaxing. They exfoliated my feet. I never did anything like that before, so it was nice. I felt special. So now I'm going to find something to eat. Alright, so I started with some takoyaki. I got 2 prawn, 1 octopus, and 1 chicken ham and cheese. It looks pretty good. So I got some Thai grape milk tea and some mutton biryani because I was ready to eat something I knew I was gonna love. The takoyaki was good. It's just not one of my favorite foods. So yeah, looks bomb. So the biryani was great. Met a couple, and one of them was this British guy who came here to teach, and he was talking about what it's like living here. Gave me a couple tips. So right now I'm just walking my way to Little India. I'm nice and full. It is hot, but I'll get used to it over time. They're selling durian on the street. Yeah, it's been a really nice experience so far. I have noticed that piercings are very uncommon here. I've had a few people offer me a napkin to wipe my piercings off. So that's pretty funny. This is nice. So I am in this area called Little India. It's supposed to be really cute, so let's walk around a little bit. It's like sunset time and check it out. Durian popcorn. Don't like that. This is like a whole store dedicated to durian. It's so cute. Freeze-dried durian.
Or bestseller one. One box is 14.80. If you buy 4, that is almost $60.
Oh, I like that one.
Yes.
I don't like this one.
It's okay.
What is mangosteen?
Mangosteen, yeah.
It's a different fruit.
Yes.
I never saw this.
Yeah, different for this one. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, this non-durian. Please. Yeah, try it. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. It's a little sour.
Sweet, sour.
Yeah, I
This
like
one,
that.
Mango.
My WhatsApp picture, WhatsApp profile picture. Zade.
Ugh. This guy asked if he could walk with me, and then he was like super persistent. I was okay with him walking with me, but then he was like nagging me and nagging me and nagging me about, why are you going this way? I don't want to go this way. You should come back to my house. We should have dinner. I'm like, I should do exactly what I want to do. So that was weird. I ended up telling him that I have a partner and I need to go. Well, I have walked to the Ferris wheel. It doesn't seem like it's open at this time of night, but it sure is pretty. So it's open. So I got a ticket to the time capsule, which is like a little museum thing about the history of Singapore, and then I get to go on the Ferris wheel. Although they laughed when I called it a Ferris wheel. So
700 years to the beginning of days on the island.
whoa. Let's move faster.
Right on time. Isn't Marina Bay a stunning sight? Singapore faced many challenges in the early years of independence. Determined, Singaporeans came together, paving new roads, transforming mudflats into a metropolis, and sowing the seeds for a garden city.
I'm the last person because nobody else was interested in the culture museum. It was so cute though. Wow, this is so cool. It's so beautiful.
Yes.
We're almost at the top. We are at the top.
Yeah. I think we almost.
That was amazing. I loved the views of Singapore. I was thinking of whether or not to walk to the Sky Garden from here, but it is like 10:30 and I saw them turn the lights off while I was in the flyer. So I got a grab. I'm out here waiting for my grab. And yeah, gonna call it a night. I really, really like the Singapore flyer. That was the height of today for sure. Alright, I lied. I stopped to get some Vietnamese food. Got some spring rolls, and then I've got some spicy fried shrimp skewers coming. These spring rolls are so good. So good. The shrimp is quite good. It has some coconut water. This is a great restaurant. You should definitely come check it out if you're ever in Singapore. Hi, I hope you enjoyed watching my day. I put out new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to my travel blog and come with me as I plan to visit every country in the world.